Hello my alien students, welcome back. This is part 2 of the story. So what we did in part 1, we just opened the normal we just opened the normal recent file. Just show you what we did in part 1. You go to view, interface, you go to recent files. I believe in the latest versions, 2024 or something, and if I think moving forward you do not have these recent files. Okay, this is something, it is a good option, but I don't know, they removed it. Anyhow, we are back to the story. And what did I do was I deleted every level which was existing. Okay, so that's why you don't have any floor plans here. Okay, see, the rule is as follows. This is what I call the procedure. Okay, select the link. This is called your architectural link. Okay, this is called something called as good practice. Okay, something called as good practice. You want to learn something good, isn't it? Yeah. So you click it and click pin. Why? Because you don't want to move it. Okay. If I want to play around, there's an option down somewhere down here. Select pinned elements. Okay. I think you will not be able to see it. If you cannot see it, you have it here. Okay. So it's called politics anyway. So click this and select a pinned element. If I select this, select a pinned elements. If I check this, uncheck this, I will not be able to select this. Okay, it's called the double hook. Anyhow, so let me just click select pinned and also select link. So I can select this now. Okay, this is the first part of the story. You pin it, and you click edit type and click room bounding. Okay, say apply and say okay. Now you'll ask me, John, what's the benefit? What's the benefit of clicking room bounding? Okay. If you are a HVAC guy, you will learn today. You will learn, not today. You will learn in the coming lessons, or classes, or videos that what's the benefit of room bounding. There is something hidden there. If you are one of my students, okay, I've given this secret in the class. Why secret in the sense? Yeah, secret or the answer for this. Okay, I've given you many examples in the class. I would like any of my students just if you're free or something, just comment down. John, you told me this, or give me. Even if you are not my student, does not make a big film here. You could comment, John, I do room bounding for a reason. Why does John emphasize it? He says, you have to click room bound. One, click it, make it pinned. Second step, room bounding. Why? Always not the why. It's not I do it. Why? Okay, you should know why. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So click OK. We've done room bounding, I believe. Yeah, I've done room bounding, which is good. Excellent. Okay. Now your next question would be. See, this is the architectural file. You can see it down. Okay, you can see it here. The linked architectural file, which is good. Excellent. I'm happy with him. But now we need to have levels matching his levels, right? Yeah, that is the name of the game, isn't it? We want to have levels, which is his levels, in matching his levels. We need to get something here in the electrical stuff, isn't it? We need to get the levels, his levels to our levels, isn't it? Okay. I would like you to give me some suggestions. And if you are my student or something, you have right to answer. Maybe my old student, you have right to answer. Come on, John, I would do this. John, I would do this. Okay, I keep maybe the answer in the next class or something. I would like to see what's your beautiful answer. See, there are 2 methods to do it. Okay, I give you 2 hints. Yeah. One is the sheep method. Okay, sheep. If you want to see the spelling of sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. In Arabic it's called bagara. Okay. The sheep method or the bagara method is go to the architectural tab on the datum panel, click level. Okay. This is good, but that's why it's called the sheep method. Okay, and then click what's this? Pick lines. We don't want an offset. We want to make plan view. Oh, plan view. Yeah. Okay. Another question comes up. Okay, I will click here and blah blah. Okay, what's the difference between a black and a blue? John, one is black, one is blue. That's good, excellent answer. But my question is, what does it mean? What does it signify? Okay, I'd like you to answer this question in the comment section. So you got a couple of questions to be answered. Answer them. and maybe in the next class or something, I show you some tricks here. Okay, I generally never do this sheep method. Okay, you're an aliens. Okay, there was another thing which one question. Okay, let me do this one sheep method just to show you one example. Okay, listen, I want to prove you something. Okay, you click here, see everything looks fine. We want it to be yes. We just need it to be. Okay, we don't need. We need. Okay, we need. I'm just creating a floor plan here. Okay. Yes, and just a second. Edit type. Okay, looks good. Looking for something. Okay, beautiful. Okay, click this. You see he appears, isn't it? Yeah. I just bring him out and just click here. This is called the bubble. Okay, cancel. I wanted to prove something here. Let's make it level 1. Of course, I wanted to have the same name. He would say, do you want to become alien? I said, yes, I want to become alien. What he means to say is, would you like to rename corresponding views? That means what? Okay, if I put no, I'm proving that, generally I would always love or recommend having the same name or level name of the architect. Okay, this method which I showed you is an human or sheep method. Okay, which I don't really recommend. Okay, it's kind of a waste of time. You keep doing this. It's kind of a waste of time. Seriously, not efficient. Anyway, I would say yes. Do you want to rename? Yes, I would like to rename it. I would like to have it the same name as the architect. Yeah, maybe if you want, I can add something extra to it. But I always recommend having it the same name as the architect. Okay, the same name as the architect. Say yeah. So we've linked this building. Okay, and we've renamed. So we say yes. Okay, so we can see rename floor. Okay, beautiful. The question why I did this was I just wanted to show you a plan view. This is a plan view, a floor plan. Okay, looking from the top. Anyway, my question is as follows. Okay, I just want to tell you something here. See, when you're looking from the top, can we create levels? No, you cannot create, isn't it? That's why it is blocked here, isn't it? How can you see from the top? If I keep, let's say, a table, okay, on the table, if I keep two objects, maybe one is shorter and one is longer and one is shorter. Okay, so if I look at both of them from the top, exactly on top of it, you can't find the difference of the height, right? Isn't it? You need to see it from the side to find the height. That's one of the reasons when I come to floor plan, I cannot get levels because it's not available. So I need to go to one of the elevation views and create them. Okay. So this is one of the methods I would call the sheep method of creating. Click levels and then use plan view blah blah, and blah. You get the picture, right? I won't recommend doing this. Okay, I want you to tell me in the comment section, John, I would do this method. This is my method. Okay, what I'm trying to tell is I don't want anyone to click this and tell me, John, I can create this. This is good. I'm not saying it is not good. It is good, but it's waste of time. Yeah, because what's the meaning of waste of time is, I click here, I come here, rename, again I do it, and then say yes. Kind of waste of time. Seriously, if I have 100 levels, if I do this, it's like, it's wasting, it's called waste of time. I could have made a cup of coffee or something like that, isn't it, during that time? You're not becoming an alien. Anyhow, so in the next part, I'll show you how to do it, or I create it and I'll wait for your comments, okay? And I'll teach you how to do it. That's nothing, a big thing here, okay? So let's see each other in the next class where I show you, I'll wait for your comments, okay? And then if I get some beautiful comments, I teach you how I do it, okay? It's called Basboosa. Anyhow, let's see each other in the next class. So take care, and I think that's it. Yalla, bye.